Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create recurring task here in Clickup. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Clickup, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating recurring tasks is a straightforward process in ClickUp and is a great way to automate repetitive workflows and ensure tasks are completed regularly. You just have to follow these simple steps to create a recurring task in ClickUp. Alright, so if you haven't already, create a new task or open an existing task you want to make recurring. In this case, I'm going to be using this specific task. Now you see, all you have to do is click on the task to open its details. For example, you'll find various options for customizing your task. You see, you have the status, which is it going to be in progress, completed, and a lot more. You have the dates, time estimate, all right, and the tags. For example, I'm going to be putting in some tags here. I'm going to create that. And then you need to click on the dates because if you do that, you see there's going to be an option down at the bottom that says set recurring. Okay, now there are multiple options for you. You can have a recurring for weekly. Is it going to be daily on from Mondays to Sundays? Is it going to be a weekly thing like first week, second week, third week? You also have the option for monthly. I don't know, it's up to you. All right, is it going to be on same day each month, second Wednesday each month, or first day of the month, or last day of the month? It's up to you. And of course, depending on your goals and priorities. Is it going to be when complete, when done, or schedule? So not only you can set the task, recurring task, you also have the option for more control to eliminate the need to manually recreate tasks that happen regularly, such as, daily reports. Say, for example, you are on a weekly meetings or monthly invoicing. This automation saves time and reduces errors. Because if you're working with a multiple team members, freelancers, and clients, you might want to do so. You have the option for, of course, if you want to recur forever, it's up to you. Now, you have another controller wherein you can update status to do, in progress, or complete, depending on how you wanted it, so that you can stick to routines and meet ongoing responsibilities, whether it's daily stand-ups, client follow-ups, working with team members, or on weekly content creation. For example, in our G-Plats channel, you see, we are a team of a handful of people. There are those who create the thumbnails, upload the videos, and create the videos ourselves, all right? Now, if you haven't already, you might want to click the subscribe button so you would get notifications on our daily content. So we have so many ClickUp tutorials for you guys so that we can at least help you solve your problems quickly. All right. Now, going back to the recurring task in ClickUp. Now, I'm going to make sure that this is going to be a recurring task for as long as we can, because somebody, of course, uploads the video and thumbnails in our YouTube channel. I'm going to click on save. And as you can see, the dates are just like an infinite loop, right? It's set to recur forever. And that's how you basically create recurring tasks in ClickUp. It makes it easy to maintain an organized and consistent workflow, improve accountability, and enhance long-term planning for both individuals, teams, and freelancers. Now, let me tell you that in the past, I encountered a problem like a glitch or the website is down, and I'm not able to set the recurring task in a specific given date. If that happens to you as well, you might want to hover to the upper right corner and click on help, because you need to get some answers from the technical support. Click on search, you see, or you can hover here at the bottom right corner, the chatbot support, to get an answer. Let us wait for that. For the pop-up, type in your questions to see if you get an answer, or just go here at the help center platform wherein you have these options. Click on the technical support, type in your description, gonna be your subject, attach a file or a screenshot, and once you've sent your email, they would give you an insight and troubleshooting steps on how to potentially fix the problem of creating recurring tasks here on ClickUp. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.